now bear with me on this one because it's really deep. This is about formulas, okay? It's a different conversation, equation formulas they use against you, okay? A formula is a rule of computation or communication expressed by means of arithmetic and literal numbers. People connected by mathematical signs which tell you what must be done with the people, the numbers, okay? So, A equals 10h is the formulation for the area of the rectangle having base 10 and altitude h, right? Remember, 10 people, h is that one person that's controlling it all. Okay. P equals BR is the percentage formulas. That's why I say take it down and figure out who's doing what, who's on what side. The percentage formula to understand what you're working with before you actively engage in the conversation. Okay. And funny, isn't it, how Alcoholics Anonymous is the triangle in a circle trap, the conversation trap? Yeah. Okay. So, example 1A. Hold on. Hold on. Every formula compressed of relation between two or more numbers, people, these numbers are called related numbers. That's why I was saying find and understand if they're saying the same thing in a different language. Okay. Now, example 1. A equals HB gives us, relation between A and B, or A, H, and B. Like I said, figure out the three people that are saying the same thing in a different language. If H equals 5, then A equals 5B. Now, for each value of B, there is a definitive value of A, right? So you understand that they're going to say they're going to add things, but the definitive value is A, the original person. Related numbers are arranged in a table. When B equals 0, then A equals 5B equals 0. 2, 10, 4, 20, 6, 30, 8, 40, 10, 50. These are the variables and the way they present what they're saying. Okay, this helps you figure out what they're doing. Okay, and I'm gonna do, just because it's Alcoholics Anonymous, example 2. In the triangle at the right, if P is the perimeter, P equals S plus, or 8 plus 8 plus 8, because they're 8 lengths, or P equals 3, 8. P and 8 are related numbers. So, that's why the newcomer is the most important person in the room, because you don't know this equation. What they're doing is they're giving you all these different angles, and they're going to triangulate the conversation to program your mind. Okay? When A equals 2 people doing it, then P equals 3, 8 equals 6. 4 is 12, 6 is 18. What's that? I need glasses. 1.5 equals 4.5. 3.5 equals 10.5. They multiply the effect they put into you to program your mind, okay? And now, I'm going to go easy on this right here, but I'm going to get to something real quick. These are the different punctuations of the way they trap you in a conversation, okay? You have your rectangle, bigger base area rectangle, square, longer rectangle, pentagram, off triangle, square, but it comes at a different angle, and then Polygeron is another geometric figure. RSTU is a parallelogram. RU is the base, and the dotted line H is the height or altitude of the parallelogram. In this parallelogram, ST and RU. Okay. Now the figure at the right illustrates the use of parallelograms in making a design. This design is different colors of cloth is used in a patchwork quilt pattern. You can find other designs in which parallelograms are used, and this is the most purest group of people you can communicate with. And I'm going to show you what that is. Remember, it says different colors of cloth, okay? It is a reference to Genesis 37:3. Now Israel loved Joseph more than all his children because he was the son of his old age, and he made him a coat of many colors. See the connection there? That's how you find your people. Have fun, everybody.